So, back again. This is week number 10 of the Fiber Gifts. So, only 2 weeks left after this. Let's see what I have in my box of treasures. Yay! I love the colors of this. This one, I've been seeing it and I just love it. It might go home with me, I don't know. But this is an African market basket, so you guys have probably heard about those before. You see them everywhere, which is super great. This is the mini tote. So, you've got the big, huge tote size, like the almost like purse size, but bigger. And then you have this little tiny mini guy. And these are perfect. This is the sort of size that I love to stash, like when I have an active spinning project or something, I put it in here. Because it just holds everything that you need. It's also rigid, which is nice. So if I stick a spindle in here, I don't have to worry about like, I'm going to sit on it and hurt my spindle, because it's nice and rigid, so it'll hold things inside with some protection, which is really nice. The cool thing about these baskets also is that if you want to reshape them, like if you get yours and it's a little squished, you can just get it wet, like in the bathtub, and then reshape it and then let it dry in that shape, and then it'll be that shape until you do that again. So, which is really cool. These are also really neat, well, for a lot of reasons. They're woven by some ladies in Africa, and then the leather handles are wrapped and made by the men of that village, which is really cool. But they also come in just an amazing array of colors. And if we are going to have these on sale, because we are, then we are going to surprise you with a color. We're not going to take color requests, just as a heads up. But you won't be dissatisfied with what we give you, because if they all look like this, then you're going to be happy about it, right? So these are going to go on sale for 25% off on December 16th. So if you would like a little surprise basket, then check that out.